Hey guys, the boy here, your tech bulilit. Welcome sa ating lahat. Today we have the Xiaomi Mi Smart LED bulb, essential white in color. Unbox natin siya. Papakita ko kung paano i-setup siya using Mi Home app and all the features included. Without further ado, tara! Let's start. So ito yung packaging niya guys. Orange box. Sa harap yung name ng product itself. Mi Smart LED bulb essential, white in color. Yung max brightness niya which is 950 lumens. Yung picture ng product itself. And it says here, works with Alexa and Google Assistant. Left ng box, right, top, bottom, and yung complete specs niya sa likod guys. So, buksan na natin. So, ito yung bulb guys. Mamaya na yan. What else is inside the box? So, ito. User manual and yung warranty card. Proceed na tayo sa bulb itself. So, ito siya guys. Top, made of glass. Yung base niya, metal. Sa harap, Xiaomi logo. Sa likod, and yung E27 screwing tip niya. Typical guys for a Xiaomi product, solid yung build quality niya. So next up, let's proceed with setting this one up using Mi Home app. In order to set up yung Mi Smart LED bulb essential white in color guys, you have to download and install yung Mi Home app. If you're using an Android phone, you can find that on the Play Store. And if you're using an iOS device, you can find that on the App Store. So all we need to do after installing yung bulb sa place kung saan natin siya gagamitin, for me, it's located in the living room. Tap lang natin yung plus sign sa upper right corner ng app. And it should scan automatically for the bulb itself. As you can see here, tap lang natin siya. Tap next. And all we need to do is wait for the bulb to be set up by the app itself. Okay, so device added. Then on the next page, we have to select kung saan located yung bulb. So I'll choose living room here, tap next. And you can also rename yung bulb itself. You can keep the name of the bulb as it is, but for me, since I have several smart lights, I have to rename it to, let's say, living room light. Tap next. After nating ma-add yung Mi Smart Bulb Essential, white in color, I will show you what are the features guys for the smart bulb itself. So let's just wait for it. Pasensya na guys, medyo mabagal ulit yung internet sa bahay. I think on this part, pwede na siyang i-cancel. There you go. Let's get started. Tap natin yung agree. So ito yung pinaka main interface guys ng bulb sa Mi Home app. So pwede mong i-reduce yung brightness niya by swiping down, as you can see. There. To increase, do the opposite guys. Swipe up. And you can also change yung color temperature niya from warm white to cold white. Swipe left and right lang guys. So sa color category, you have the option to change yung colors here. Swipe lang from left to right. If you want to change it to red, orange, yellow, green, and so on. Next is color flow. So with color flow guys, mag-iba-iba yung hue or color ng light depending sa hue na sinet mo sa flow settings. So, tap natin yung flow settings. As you can see, nakaset siya sa cyan. Change natin sa violet. And lahat ng malapit na color sa violet, yan yung magiging colors na i-change ng light. Red, green. Balik tayo sa cyan. Hit apply. And see some more settings. Tap lang natin yung 3 dots sa upper right corner of the screen. Timer. So, pwede bang iset until what duration mamamatay automatically yung lights. Schedule is where you can set schedules when bubukas automatic yung light and mamamatay as well. So, schedule on time here. Pwede mo siyang i-repeat, let's say, daily or Mondays to Fridays lang. Tap OK. Then, on. Let's say, bubuksan yung light automatically by 6:30 a.m. Hit OK. Then, tap mo lang yung check dyan. For now, let's tap X. What else? So, firmware update. Dito natin ma-check kung may firmware update na ba yung smart bulb. And as I mentioned earlier guys, I have several light bulbs or smart bulbs sa bahay. I can create a group wherein pwede ko silang i-control ng sabay-sabay. So far, I won't do that. Balik tayo sa main interface ng app. Let's go to white. Let me change it to cold white. There you go guys. Next, ipapakita ko sa inyo kung paano i-control yung bulb using Google Assistant. Hey Google, turn off living room light.
Alright, turning off the living room light.
Hey Google, turn on living room light.
Got it. Turning on the living room light.
Reduce living room light brightness to 20%.
Sure. Setting the living room light brightness to 20%.
Change living room light brightness to 100%.
Okay. Setting the living room light brightness to 100%.
Change living room light color to pink.
Got it. Changing the living room light to pink.
Change living room light color to blue.
Got it. Changing the living room light to blue.
Change living room light color to green.
Okay. Changing the living room light to green.
Turn off living room light.
Okay. Turning off the living room light.
And ito yung color flow guys in action. So the Xiaomi Mi Smart LED Bulb Essential White in Color retails for 899 pesos and you can get one yourself sa physical stores nila and also sa official stores nila sa Shopee and Lazada. For that price, sobrang sulit niya guys. Build quality is superb and also yung smart features niya. Compare it with other competitors, let's say yung Philips Hue. Sobrang affordable niya guys. What do you think about the product? Comment down below and thank you again for watching. This is the boy, your tech will lead, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye!